Hello, welcome to Python course. My name is Nitin Mandelia. I am a technical associate and a STEAM educator at Science Kidz. In this course, you are going to learn about Python programming from basic to advanced. So the only requirement is your time. If you haven't done programming yet, then don't worry, we are here to guide you. In this 15 session course, you will get access to 15 plus unique projects, 40 coding exercise, 50 tutorials, and more than 20 hours of training. We will start with basics and then move on to projects like making your own calculator and understanding Python concepts too. Making animated games such as turtle racing by learning how interactive games works in real world. We are also going to do interactive coding where we will program to ask inputs from user like real application works, making fun and creative designs, and also some patterns using graphics in Python. By the end of this course, you will have your hands on the world's fastest growing programming language.